fix your apps. In today's video, we'll walk you through step-by-step how to stop message forwarding on your Android phone. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more helpful videos like this one. Step 1. Open the phone app. This is the app you use to make calls. Step 2. Dial either *21 or *62. These codes will help you check if SMS forwarding is currently enabled on your device. Once you enter the code, you'll see a message confirming whether forwarding is active or not. Step 3. Now, open the Settings app on your phone. You can usually find it in your app drawer or by swiping down on the home screen and tapping the gear icon. Step 4. Scroll down and select Apps. This will display a list of all the applications installed on your device. Step 5. Tap the search icon in the top right corner of the screen and type SMS forwarding. This will help you locate any apps related to SMS forwarding. Step 6. If you find any SMS forwarding apps, uninstall them immediately. To do this, tap on the app, then select Uninstall. Confirm your action to remove the app from your device. Step 7. Return to the main settings screen. Now search for Device Admin Apps. This feature allows certain apps to have administrative control over your phone. Step 8. In the Device Admin Apps section, deactivate any apps that you suspect might be linked to message forwarding. Specifically, turn off Find My Device and Nova Launcher if they're listed here. To do this, simply toggle off the option next to these apps. Step 9. Once you've deactivated these settings, go back to the phone app. Step 10. Finally, stop all forwarding by dialing #002. This code ensures that all call and message forwarding settings are completely disabled. And that's it. You've successfully stopped message forwarding on your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.